Thank you po, Sir ER Kabayan PWD Vlog. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Irene Latse Año Nuevo. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Tim Ngani Bayajipi Channel. Maraming salamat po, Ate Amis Vlog Entertainment. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Tinay's Eat. Maraming salamat po, Sir Sharnox. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Dishang. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Griggy Channel TV. Maraming salamat po, Ate Myrna. Maraming salamat po, Ate Pauline Odulio. Maraming salamat po, kapatid na Dumagat Gay. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shirley MA Vlog. Thank you so much, Ma'am Zoke. Highly appreciated your support. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Buhay OFW. Maraming salamat po, Ate Smiling Face Channel. Thank you so much, Sir Gorilla. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Roseville. Thank you so much, Sir Kukudo 20CH from Japan. Maraming salamat po, Ate Irene's Diary. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. So, good morning na po. Kasi 12 time check, it's already 12:03 in the morning. The date today is April 20, 2025. Araw po ngayon ng linggo. Ayan. Time check 12:03 in the morning. I already have 8 hours and 17 minutes live. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo po sa akin. Ayan. I already have 27 likes and 2 viewers in the house. Maraming salamat po.